What's up guys, I'm Kevin Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Today's recipe is beef noodle stir fried, one of my favorite quick and easy meals. It's a delicious dish that you can churn out within 20 minutes. All you need is some beef slices suitable for stir frying, some crunchy vegetables, some mushrooms, and the noodles of your choice. You also need a stir fry sauce that comprises of some basic Chinese ingredients such as oyster sauce and light soy sauce. But today, I'll also add some black pepper to the marinade and to season the sauce. So you will expect a taste of a stir-fried noodles with pepper steak cut into pieces. Sounds good? Let's take a look at how to prepare this noodle dish. Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut the beef across the grain into thin slices. Transfer it to a bowl and season with salt, black pepper, some cornstarch, a little bit of cooking oil, and combine with the beef. Keep the beef aside to marinate for 15 minutes. Cut the carrot into strips. Also the bell peppers into strips. Cut the baby corns on the bias into half. Remove the strings of the snow peas. If you want, you can cut the large one into half. The last item is the dry shiitake mushroom that I have soaked them for about 2 hours. It's already soft now. Cut the mushroom into slices. Besides that, I have also prepared some minced garlic, minced ginger, and the white section of the spring onion, that is this part. Let's move on to prepare the stir fry sauce. It's a mixture of oyster sauce, light soy sauce, a little bit of salt. Remember, we have marinated the beef, so just a little bit. Some sugar. And black pepper. You can add more or less depending on your preference. If you like it to taste like the sauce for black pepper stick, just add a little bit more. And some water I use to soak the mushroom. That's flavorful, so I use it instead of water to constitute the sauce. Add some dark soy sauce if you want the color to be slightly darker. How about the noodles? You can use any noodles of your choice. Today I'm using udon, the Japanese noodles. You can use any noodles you like. You can use pasta or any Chinese egg noodles. If you use dry noodles, please follow the package instruction to cook it ahead before using it for stir frying. Let's start the actual stir frying. Let's start with the beef. Heat some oil in a wok or pan until medium, and then add the beef slices. Stir fry the beef until it turns color on both sides. When it is cooked, remove the beef and leave the remaining oil in the wok. Saute the garlic, ginger, and the spring onion with the remaining oil. Add the vegetables of your choice to the wok and continue stir frying until crisp and tender. You may need to add a splash of water if it is too dry. The order of adding the vegetables to the wok is vital because these vegetables require different times to cook until they are crisp tender, and therefore I add the broccoli first, followed by the carrot, you can add the mushrooms anytime because it's already softened. Then followed by the corns, snow peas, and the bell peppers. When it's crisp tender, turn off the heat. Now let's add the noodles of your choice to the wok and combine with the vegetables. And the stir-fry sauce that we have prepared. Turn up the heat. A little bit more water, it's quite dry. Return the beef to the wok. Turn up the heat. Add some sesame oil and a splash of wine. Turn up the heat again, have a few quick stir, and it is ready. That's how to make beef noodle stir fry, and I hope you like it. I've included the recipe in the description below the video, and I've also included the link to my blog post where you can download the recipe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in some other similar video. Bye for now.